Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So we do have another unboxing to do. I told y'all I had like 3 or 4 packages come to me within the past week, and I have not, or within the past 3 weeks, y'all, but I have not been able to get to any of them really. I just been trying to make other content videos other than unboxings for you all, but since I pushed out a couple of videos, I want to give y'all a few more unboxings, and then we're going to go back to the regular nails. So let's just go ahead and unbox this and see what it is. I really do not remember. Like, it feels like it's a dip powder package, but I'm not sure. It's looking like dip powder, you guys. Yes, this is AzureBeauty dip powder. Now, y'all already know how I feel about dip powder, so I don't really know if I'm going to do a set using these or not, but I am going to unbox it and show you all the color scheme that I have. And oops, as y'all know, I've done an unboxing with them before. I've done these colors, similar colors to this before. I might go ahead and just swatch all the colors for you all, and then maybe I will post this on my website so someone, if you want to, can purchase it, and the only thing you will have to pay for is the shipping. So I'll go ahead and get into the swatches, you guys. So before we get into the swatches, I just want to show you all what comes in the pack. It comes with all the activators. It comes with your base, and then it comes with the activator, the top coat, and the extra thing to put your brush cleaner in, or the brush cleaner, which gives you extra brushes to also, if you need to switch them out if they get dirty. It comes with a cuticle pusher, it comes with a brush, and it also comes with a little file, and then it gives you a what is it called, the not beginner's kit the manual to show you how to use dip powder. So I'll be putting all that back in the box once I am done, and I just want to show you guys everything that it comes with before you decide to purchase. Obviously there will only be one person able to get this kit, but I am going to be posting it on my website for $12, and that's just going to take care of the shipping because this package was heavy. So when it goes by weight, it usually costs about $10 to $12 to ship it, and that usually gets to you in 2 days. So yeah. Now, AzureBeauty does have a lot of different sets to choose from. So if you do not want this one, you have plenty other sets on Amazon to choose from, and they are on Prime. The prices range from about $14.99 to about $35 depending on the kit size. I think they go up to like 29 powders. This one has 20 powders in it, I believe. So you would definitely be getting a deal on it if you just purchase this one from me. But as y'all know, I only have one to give away because they only sent me one, and the only reason I'm even giving them away is because I just personally do not use dip powder on a regular, so I know that it will just be sitting, so I just rather give it to somebody who will actually make some use of it. I just obviously can't send it for free because the shipping is like crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all run through this and watch the swatches. I will peep back in when it gets to some colors that I like or some colors that I want to explain further about. But I am driving right now if y'all are wondering what the sound is in the background. So yeah, I will let y'all go and get back to the swatches. This one right here was a shimmer, and y'all know how I feel about shimmers. However, this one was my favorite out of the whole entire kit. Like, I don't know what it was, but this shimmer pink was so pretty. Like, I really wish that this was an acrylic powder because this would definitely be one of my go-tos. This one right here did have a little bit of like streakiness in it. Like when I swatched it on the paper towel, it came out like with some pigment, I guess, in it for some reason. I don't know really what that was, but you can see it up close, that little black streak of whatever pigment that was in it. Now, I have actually never seen a clear, which is a transparent, but I've never seen a clear dip powder, like, ever. I've never had a clear dip powder come in a kit. So I don't really know why you would want a clear dip powder. Like, I don't use dip powder, so maybe y'all can explain to me why you would actually want a clear dip powder. I don't know. Now, I know that dip powder looks like it has a hint of purple in it, but it is not the dip powder itself. It's definitely my monomer. I was using the Dynamic Nail Supply monomer, and as y'all know, I have mentioned it in previous videos. I don't know what happened to my Dynamic Nail Supply monomer, but it like has this purple tint to it when I use acrylic powders. And even though monomer has purple tint to it, like when it comes out the bottle or when it's in the bottle, it is not supposed to show up in your acrylic or your dip powder or anything like that. But the purple in it shows up in my dip powder and acrylic. And you can really see it when I use whites or clears. So I don't know what is up with that, but I've mentioned it before. So don't think that the purple was actually like the dip powder. It was my monomer messing it up, not the actual dip powder. So this dip powder right here was a silver glitter, and it was trying to come from my holographic acrylic powder, but it didn't, y'all. It didn't, but it was very, very close. That is what it reminded me of. So if y'all have seen my holographic glitter acrylic on my website, then that is almost exactly how this glitter dip powder went down. Now, when you are swatching dip powder with monomer, it is going to sometimes give you a little bit of a difference in the shade. So when I dip the brush in it, and you see how it looks right here, that is the true color. The true color is not when I wipe it on the napkin. The true color is when I show you how it looks on the brush, because dip powder, it is activated with liquid. So that is going to be the true color of what it looks like when it is on the brush. So just go by what I am showing you guys, like actually on the brush versus on the paper towel. Even though they are super similar in shade range, they do sometimes differ when placed on the napkin. This was this really pretty plum shade, you guys, and I'm just thinking in my head while I'm swatching these colors, like these darker maroons and browns and plum shades like this, I'm like, I have no acrylic powders that are these shades. So if y'all can, please list below any acrylic powders that come in these shades. I know I will probably have to go on Not Polished website, because I don't know any other brand that makes like real deep tones of acrylic powders that I actually like the formula. So if y'all know any below, if y'all know any new acrylic powders that you have never seen on my channel and you think the formula is really good, or you want me to test it out, then go ahead and list it down below in the comment section, because I am now looking for fall colors, you guys. I'm kind of getting away from the bright colors. I think I'm going to start going into like October and November fall colors right now. So let me know some suggestions, because those are going to be the next few videos that I start to post. And I'm super excited. Hopefully everything comes out good and I do it correctly. But yeah, just let me know down below where I can find some deep tone acrylic powders from that have a really milky, like buttery consistency, please and thank you. Now, this was the only dip powder that gave me trouble. It was literally coming out like pink and white, but when I dip it in the monomer and then I put it on the brush, it's a pink, and in the bottle it is a pink. So just go off of what is on my brush, because that is the color that will come off when you are actually using it as dip powder. And that is what I was referring to. Like, sometimes when you're mixing it with monomer, since it is not an acrylic powder, it's going to come off differently on the brush sometimes and the napkin. So that is the true color, that pink right there. And I just wanted y'all to see it before I actually put it on the napkin one more time. That is the true color that would actually be on your nail if you were using it as a dip powder. Now, besides that one that messed up, I do want to let y'all know, if you are going to be using these as acrylic powders, which you can, the only thing that you would have to do differently is you're always going to have to cap these in a clear acrylic. You will have to use a clear acrylic to cap these, meaning you can put this down with monomer on the nail, but you are going to have to put a clear acrylic powder over top of these colors to seal it all in, so that it will not peel off or mess up, because dip powder is not meant for it to be used with monomer. So these were all the colors, you guys. I hope it gave you a good look at what the shade ranges were. I thought they were super cute. They're very neutral fall time set, and if you want to purchase it, like I said, all you're gonna have to do is pay for the shipping, because it's kind of expensive for me to ship it to you. So yeah, just let me know down below, or just email me, or you can just pick it up off the website, and yeah, it's yours. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next one. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.